I'm over here in the auditorium with another new project, another toy I just picked up. It's a 72 Chevelle Malibu. So this one's got a 307 Chevy in it. Just trying to get the thing to start. Kicked over once, but having some problems cranking. Thinking this battery cable might be shot. It's not really wanting to crank much up for us. So, 4-door hardtop, and it's been sitting for quite a while. Don't really know the whole story with it. Besides, it came out of an estate. The guy I got it from picked it up with another car, and he didn't want this, so I bought it. So I have to go through the car, see what kind of goodies are in here, because it is chock full of stuff. Looks like it was probably a restoration someone started. You know, it kind of looks like they painted this thing, because this stuff was not stock at all. Looks like they painted it and never put the trim on and just parked it. You can see there's all kinds of crap in here. Block, headliner, boxes of stuff, radios, you name it. There's also NOSGM parts. It's gonna be interesting to see what kind of goodies this thing has. Don't really have any plans for it yet. I'm playing with different ideas. Like I have that 350, I have a van I junked I might throw in here. These 307s are kind of crappy. All that wheel well trim, look at this. It's in pretty good shape too. So, more lights, I guess. So I'm gonna have to go through this thing, see what we got here. Body's in pretty good shape. One of these, it's got minimal rust. It doesn't look like anyone's screwed with it yet, which is good, because there's nothing worse than fixing body work that someone else has had their hands in. The only real rust is in this A-pillar. And it's, yeah, it's substantial. I think it can be fixed. You know, you can get all kinds of restoration parts of these things nowadays, but that I can't find for some reason. You can pretty much build one. Aside from that, even the dome light works. So this was the original color, yeah, greenish brown or something. So this will be another one of the many projects. Figure out something to do with this. This license plate. So I'm gonna screw around with this thing, see if I can get it to start for us, and we'll take it from there. A little cold-blooded, but it started. Cool. We're underneath the Chevelle here. All in all, it's in pretty good shape. Floor pans are all here. Frame looks good. Factory, I forget what these shocks are called, the spiral GM ones. Well, those the pleasurizers or something? That's a really weird name. All in all, the car surprisingly good condition for its age. Surface rust in some places, but yeah, no, this is good. So I think what I'm gonna do is replace the starter cable, because that thing looks like hell and this thing is just being a bitch to start. So I got some cable at the shop. I'll grab a few feet of that and put a new cable up here, and then see if this thing to really run for more than a few seconds. But I think the carburetor sucked some garbage in, because it just keeps dying now. And the guy I got it from recommended replacing this tank, so I'll probably just end up doing that. They're not that expensive for these cars, so a worthwhile investment to get all that garbage out of this thing. So see if I get that cable replaced and keep going with it.